I am Miss Vibha from Ma Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th maths. Chapter number 2 is going on, students, and this is the last exercise, that is exercise 2.6. So in exercise 2.6, see students, in this exercise 2.6, this is the last exercise of this chapter, chapter number 2. So in this exercise, the question is based on some rules. That rules first I will tell you, so that it will be very convenient, very easy for you to solve all the questions related to it. So in exercise 2.6, students, the question is related to one rule, that rule is called the mass rule. The mass rule, students, I had explained you earlier also, but in this exercise again I will explain you, because 2.6 is completely dependent on the mass rule. So what is this rule? So student, in 2.6 question is solve, simplify. Okay, how to solve? You have to simplify the question. Whatsoever the question is given, you have to simplify it. So for simplification, you have to use this rule, that is the mass rule. And what is this rule? Let's start. See, DMAS. So these all letters are the letters of 4 operations, which is the name of chapter number 2. I hope you are remembering the name of the chapter number 2. Yes, the 4 operations. So these are the first alphabets of that 4 operations. What are that 4 operations? Once again, D is divide, M is multiply, A is add, addition, and S is subtraction, minus, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So why this is coming in this system, DMAS? You have to remember in the same format, DMAS. You don't have to change the order, because this is the order which you have to follow while simplifying the questions. Okay? So means in the question, if division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, all 4 are there, or any 3 or any 2 means the division, multiplication, addition or subtraction, any one operation is there, then you will do that. And if 2, 3 or 4 operations are given, then in that what you have to do? You have to follow this rule, the mass rule. You have to follow this rule. So if in question all 4 are given, or any 3, any 2 or any 1 is given, simply if 3 is given more than 2, okay, so what you will do, in that 2 or 3 is also given, you have to follow the same rule. Okay, so first in that question you have to solve the division, then you have to solve the multiplication if multiplication is there in between the numbers, then addition you have to solve. After addition, if these 3 is over, then subtraction at the last you will solve. So students, for this you should know one more thing that I am telling you. For example, 5 plus 4 is there. Simply 2 numbers are given and one sign is given here, that is plus sign. Okay. So students, you should know that the sign plus, minus, into, divide, these all 4 signs, whatever the sign will be, any one of them, the number is present and before that number the sign is present, means 5. Nothing is there, means 5 is plus 5. And what is the sign of 4? If I will ask you the question, what is the sign of 4? So sign of the 4 is, given 4 is plus 4. So I am explaining you this with one more example, students. For example, I am taking number 5 minus 3 plus 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 1, for example. Okay, so I am taking these 5 numbers and here 4 operations are given, that is 4 signs are given, minus, plus, divide and multiply. So students, you should know which sign is belonging to which number. sign is there in front of that. Here no sign is there, no plus, no minus into divide. So this is plus 5. This student 3 is 1 by 1. Okay. 3 is minus 3. 3 is not plus 3. Sometimes the students are confused that 3 after 3 plus is there. So 3 is plus. No. 3 is, the sign of 3 is minus, students. See, minus 3. Now the sign of 2 plus 2. The sign of 5 divided by 5. And the sign of 1 is multiplied by 1. So you should know from the question first which sign belongs to which number. Means simply the number is given and before the number its sign is given. So students, now I think it will be very easy for you after understanding this. So now following this rule we will solve question number 1, that is given question is simplify. Simplify means simplification is there. So question number 1 is given, students. 8 plus 12 minus 6 multiplied by 2. So students, this is the question given. 8 plus 12 minus 6 multiplied by 2 means 8 is in plus 8, 12 is plus 12, 6 is minus 6 and 2 is multiplied by 2. So now the mass rule. Remember this rule: divide, multiply, add, then subtract. What operations are given here? Plus, minus and multiplication. Addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division is not given. So simply remove the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So see here, multiplication. First, where is the multiplication sign? Here is the multiplication sign. So you have to multiply this number first. So students, you will put this arrow mark, then you will write simply directly 8 plus 12. Okay. Now, one more thing you should know, when you are multiplying this minus 6, which number we are multiplying? Minus 6 and 2. Minus 6 and 2 you are multiplying. So students, if 2 means plus 2 and minus 6 means minus sign is there. So plus and minus, if plus and minus are multiplied with each other, we are getting the answer minus. Okay. And if plus and minus means the number having the plus sign and the number having the minus sign. Okay. So the answer will be having the minus sign. Now plus is there and plus is multiplied means the number with plus is multiplied by plus itself. So the answer will be plus only. Okay. Now if minus number is there and another number is also minus, multiplication is there of this number, minus and minus will become plus. So students, be careful while multiplying the two numbers. If first number is having plus sign and second number is having minus sign, the answer which you will get, you will do minus. You will put minus sign. If plus and plus multiplication is there, plus number is there and one plus number is there, the answer which you will receive, you will put plus sign. Then minus and minus multiplication of number is there, then the answer will be plus. So don't be confused here. Okay, so now 6 2s are simply multiplication, 6 2s are 12. Now students, this is minus 6 and this is plus 2. I am not telling here multiplication. Why? Because the multiplication of minus 6 and plus 2 is here. What is the meaning of this equation? Plus 6 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by plus 2 means simply 6 2s are 12 we will write, and multiplication of minus and plus or plus and minus becomes minus. So simply it will be minus, students. Okay. So now after doing this, what you will do? Next step. The multiplication you have done. Now addition is there. So addition in between which number? This is minus, this is addition. So simply 8 plus 12. What is 8 plus 12? 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2. 20. 20 is there. Now this is left. Minus 12. Simply you will write. Okay. Now subtraction is there. Subtraction is there. So in subtraction what you will do? Simply 20 minus 12. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So you can write either 0, 8 or even you can write simply 8. So 8 is the answer received here. So how to simplify? In this way you have to simplify using the Damas rule. You have to learn this formula which is given here. You don't have to write it. Okay. Here simply have to learn it. So by following the Damas rule you can simplify this equation and you will receive this answer. So in this way students you can find the answer of the simplification question. So rest of the question, first you have to divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. In this way you can solve exercise 2.6. Thank you for watching.